Good morning, class. God bless you. Today we are going to learn about the last topic of chapter number 3 in lesson 5. Today's topic is something which is very important for a farmer or for the people who are very passionate about gardening. Yes, this is fertilizer. Fertilizer is a natural or synthetic substance that is applied to the soil or the plants to improve growth and productivity. They provide nutrients to the plants. So fertilizer is that material which can be natural. Natural means it is naturally made, or synthetic means when we make it in some lab or in some industry using raw material. And why we use fertilizer? Because it improves the growth process in plants and we get maximum crops or more crops. Why fertilizers improve the growth rates in plants? Because they provide basic nutrients or the required foods for the plants. Now, mineral salts are nutrients for the plants like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. They are needed by the plants for healthy growth, and fertilizers are very useful because they add nutrients in the soil. Now, fertilizers are classified on the basis of their origin in two blocks. One, organic fertilizer. Organic fertilizers are those substances which are derived from animal matter or their excreta, such as manure, and human excreta means human waste products, and vegetable matter. Naturally occurring organic fertilizers include animal waste from meat processing, such as peat, manure, and slurry. Now, the food which grows in the usage of organic fertilizers is called as organic food. You know what is organic food? Organic food can be any vegetable or crops which are grown on the without providing any chemicals or sprays of insecticides and pesticides on crops. And the food which comes from organic farms which do not use any chemical fertilizer and pesticides are called as organic foods. You know, people are earning, and these fruits and foods, vegetables are sold in the market on a very high rate. Now, the question is, can we make organic fertilizer? Yes, you can see the picture is showing the formation of organic fertilizers using sorry for the disturbance. You see, the picture is showing you the formation of organic fertilizers using the waste of vegetables and the waste of animals such as dung and manure, and these are rotten vegetables and rotten fruits. They will be mixed and left for a period of time, maybe for a week or two. Then these vegetables and these fruits will be decomposed by microorganisms to release their mineral content, and it will be called as organic fertilizer, which will be put in the gardens and on the crops to add the fertility to the crops and plants. Now, the next type was inorganic fertilizers. As I told you, inorganic fertilizers are those fertilizers, those substances which are made by industry. So they are packed beautifully and sold in the market. And inorganic fertilizer is also known as mineral fertilizers. It is mined from mineral deposits or manufactured from synthetic compounds. And the function is same. Both fertilizers add nutrients to the soil which help in plant growth. you can see how beautiful beads are there, and these are basically the mineral support to the plants. Today's activity is how do fertilizers help in plant growth? Like what are their main jobs? If you differentiate, if you write the difference between them, the difference will be in their origin and what do they do for the plant growth. Just think about, repeat the lesson many times and read the pages from your textbook very thoroughly, just watching the diagrams, then you will be able to write it completely. Thank you very much, class. God bless you. Take care and see you.